Hello, this is our senior design presentation for spring 2024 for the John Deere's large planter line. We are Team 12. My name is Zainab Alghalibi, and my team members are Mohammad Al-Araidah, Mohammed, Albarrak. A brief introduction about the John Deere plant in Moline, Illinois. It's one of the company's oldest and smallest facilities, presenting it with challenges regarding space utilization and efficiency. So the main focus of this project is to reduce non-value added space to improve the efficiency of the large planter line at the Moline facility. In this presentation, the team will go over the following content: project objectives, current state analysis, future state design, and economic impact. Goals and objectives of the project. Our general objective is to enhance operational efficiency at the John Deere facility in Moline, Illinois, by redesigning the layout of the large planter production line, specifically aiming to decrease daily travel distance between the main production line and its sub-assemblies by at least 20% from the current 68,000 feet.
Here is an overview of the current inefficiencies found through our current state analysis. There are several opportunities for improvement considering the line's layout. This is because there are several parts and sub-assemblies that are a significant distance away from the main assembly line. This, coupled with several other parts having a high frequency of movement, creates roughly 68,000 feet of travel distance per day. This travel distance is creating roughly 63 hours of non-value added labor time per day. This distance and the associated non-value added labor time cost John Deere over $2,000 each day, which is a significant impact on the company's profitability.
So, moving on to our future state design. Moving on to our future state design, we leveraged AutoCAD and Flow Planner along with other data analysis techniques that we used by looking at the data in Python and modeling it on different graphs. We decided to go the route of relocating a couple sub-assemblies, basically setting the tone for how sub-assemblies will be moved in the future, in the ultimate goal of hopefully having all sub-assemblies closer to the main line. But with these specific sub-assemblies, the reason we picked them is they have a lot of cost associated with them. They're easier to move, and we know where they need to be moved and how it needs to be moved. Those sub-assemblies were the stairs and the cart. Those are the main two things, and to make that possible, we had to relocate station L103 and L1003 along with the stairs to replace where L1014, which was the cart, is located. This places all of those sub-assemblies at a closer to their usage points.
Implementing the proposed solutions will result in an annual savings of about $86,000. The initial investment required for the project was $150,000. However, the return on this investment, or ROI, is expected to be realized within less than 2 years, thanks to the previously mentioned annual savings.
Some things John Deere needs to consider in the future is looking at alternative material handling method. While our project did not focus as much on those, but those present an opportunity to save some money. They need to look at some workstation redesign, maybe new setups or workstations near the line that basically replace 2 or more existing stations by combining multiple stations together, and then looking at the data analytics techniques to monitor and optimize the production process. And here